Alright guys, so this is my morning right here. Snow blizzard. And y'all know I'm not in my 300, I'm definitely driving my Camry. Front wheel drive, baby, all day. This is why I love my Camry, man. This joint make it through anything. It is bad out here, but your boy gotta go to work. This is crazy. I know it's kind of loud. I got the heat on high. Like, I don't even know what lane is what. Alright guys, so this is the main roads. I thought the main roads would be clear, but nope. But this front wheel drive Camry is not playing no games out here. This is crazy. This is wild, man. So y'all gotta pray for me, man. Hopefully I make it to work. My wife was like, "Why you don't call out?" I'm like, "Man, I'm an essential employee, man. I gotta go in." So if I ain't had to go in, just trust to believe I would not be trying to make it in this joint. Oh man, this y'all sliding there. Oh, hold up, champ. Come on, man, we gonna get it. We gonna get through it though. We gonna get through. Let's see. Snowplow dude over there. Ain't no way I be driving no rear wheel drive car out here, Slim. No way. Nope, nope, nope. Yeah, it's crazy. I know y'all can hear that. See, the thing about it, man, it's super cold. So this snow is definitely sticking. And I'm riding on snow and ice. No doubt about it. This is the time I wish I had a daggone Durango. See, my wife, she gotta go to work too, so I let her, she drive her BMW. She got the four-wheel drive. I would rather for her to drive that than if she even go in, she might just work from home, for real. I don't have that luxury. And this is gonna be challenging right here, this daggone curve. And this is just the beginning, it's supposed to get worse. I hope these wiper blades ain't too loud, y'all, but I gotta have them joints on because you got some heroes that'll drive through this doing 40, 50 miles per hour, but I ain't that guy. I ain't got no points to prove. Just try to make it work. Alright, come on, man. Definitely don't bring no Hellcat or no scats out on this. But you'll have some fools out here trying to drive around some daggone Hellcats out here. This is bad, bro. This is bad, bro. Yeah, this is bad. Now hopefully I get on the main road, the highway right here. Be a little clear. Okay. Calm down. Nah, it really ain't that much better. This ain't no better out here. Alright, I'm gonna put this phone down, man, so I can focus, guys, because I can't even tell what's what out here. Alright, guys, I'm still on my way, man. This is the main highway. This joke covered, too. On my way to downtown DC, man. And like I say, this front wheel drive 2012 Camry is getting up through here, so I'm trying to tell you. I done seen a lot of SUVs driving slower than me. A couple rear wheel drive cars out here. driving like they scared to death. If I had to drive my 300, I would not be going in. I'm telling you right now. This Camry is getting up through here, Slim. There's no hesitation. No hesitation. I tell anybody, this is my favorite car right here. I'm trying to tell y'all. It's getting a little wild right now though, because it looks like DC ain't really do too much to the streets. They trying to get out here. Especially this part right here. Oh, this is crazy. I don't know how it's gonna be when I get off. That's gonna be the real challenge, getting back home. There's no lanes, and people pretty much making their own lane. I know. We're gonna be alright. Snow getting thick out here. So I'm gonna put this phone down, guys, so I can navigate through all this. Get back with y'all in a minute. Alright, guys, it's getting a little dicey out here. Look, a lot of people spinning out. I just saw a Charger out here stuck on the side of the road. But this front wheel drive is getting up through here. I'm trying to tell you, this shit so crazy. This Camry is unstoppable, man. But there's people slowing down, man. The snow is getting a little thick down through here. I'm actually in DC now. But I've been seeing a lot of cars on the side of the road. These wiper blades are just extremely loud, guys. I apologize for that, but just trying to give y'all a little idea of what it's like out here today. I don't understand why these people driving so slow, man. Just go. When you slow down, that's when you got a chance of getting stuck. I'm going around these bumps. This big old truck right here, mail truck. Let's see what's happening. So you got the Corolla up there holding everything up. Hey. Alright, guys, so I made it to downtown DC. As you can see, it's covered in snow. But, you know, we're still moving and grooving. But it's definitely going to be worse when I get off. So I hope y'all in the house, you got your hot chocolate or your tea, coffee, whatever you have. If it's snowing and cold where you are, you can just sit back and watch this video and watch me struggle to get to work. It's crazy. See, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Stuck. You should have known better to try to drive that joint out here. Yep. As you can see, it's a ghost town out here, though. Ain't nobody out here. The only people that have to be out here are out here. So we're about to ride by the Wizard Stadium here in a second. This light is extremely long for no reason. Alright, come on, get out through here. Look at him just spinning. Ain't nothing you can do. Tires just spinning. Yeah, he's stuck. He's stuck like Chuck. Capital One Arena right there. I'm telling you, this front wheel drive ain't nothing but the truth. If you need a inexpensive, reliable, great car, 2012 Camry. The main thing I like about the 2012 Camry, guys, is it has the electric steering, and so I don't have to worry about, you know, power steering and all that stuff going out. That's one of the main reasons I chose a 2012. This thing gets up through here, Slim. Oh. They talking about anywhere from 6 to 12. Oh. I ain't gonna make this light long too, man. There go the court building. Definitely don't want to be in this, man. So y'all go. Y'all good idea what it look like out here. It's a court building right there. Yep. So I'm gonna turn this camera back on, man, once I get to where I'm going. Alright guys, so obviously I made it to work. I'm on my way home now. As you can see, the main roads are clear now. That was pretty crazy this morning though, trying to get to work. So I just wanted to update you guys, let y'all know I made it. And I appreciate y'all riding along with me, man, to work. If you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. This is a little fun little video, man. Ain't nothing to it. See y'all on the next one. Peace.